Alright, is another fine moment we have today to remind ourselves on how to find the square root of any number by use of prime factorization method. All you need to know is that the square root of a number is the value that returns the original number when multiplied by itself. Finding square root by prime factorization is very simple. All you need to know is how to factorize the number given and the root and pair them. For example, here we have 9, we have 49, we have 625, 729, we have 12,544, we have 9,216 and 144. So you are required to find the square root of these numbers by use of prime factorization method. Let's get this as an example. So what we need to know, the first step is that find the prime factors of 9. Let's find the prime factors of 9. The smallest number that can divide 9 is 3. So 9 divided by 3, we get 3. 3 divided by 3, we get 1. That's the first step. Step 2, make pairs of identical factors. Let's find the identical factors between 3 and 3. So let's make pairs 3 times 3. After getting these identicals means these are similar numbers or factors. Take one factor from each pair. Now you take one factor from each pair, so you get 3. Now the square root of 9 is 3. That's the answer. Let's get this one as the second example. Let's find the square root of 49 by use of prime factorization method. The smallest number that can divide 49 is 7. 49 divided by 7, we get 7. 7 divided by 7, we get 1. So these are the factors of 49. Secondly, let's now pair these factors. 7 times 7, we put in brackets, then we pick one factor from the bracket, and then we get 7. So the square root of 49 is 7. Let's find the square root of 625 by use of prime factorization method. First procedure, find the factors of 625. The smallest number that can divide 625 is 5. 5 divided by 6 divided by 5, we get 1 because of 5. Then the remainder 1, we make it 12. It will go twice because of 10, remainder 2 to make it 25. 25 divided by 5, we get 5. The smallest number again is 5. 12 divided by 5, we get 2 because of 10, remainder 2. You make this one 25. 25 divided by 5, you get 5. The smallest number again is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Second procedure, make pairs of identical factors. Make pairs of identical factors. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Then pair them. Take one factor from each pair. 5 times 5. The answer you get is 25. So the square root of 625 is 25. Let's get another example. Next number D, next number will be 12,544. Let's find the square root of 12,544 by use of prime factorization method. Let us factorize. First step, finding the factors, prime factors of this number. The smallest number is 2 to get 6, 272. Let's divide this number by 2 again. You get 3, you get 1, 3, 6 because of 12. Divide by 2 again, you'll get 1, make it 11, 5, 6, 8 because of 16. Divide by 2 again, it will go 7 because of 14. Then remainder 1, make it 16. It will go 8 because of 16. Then 4. Let's divide by 2 again. It will go 2 because of 3. 6, make it 18. 9, 2 because of 4. The smallest number that can divide this one, let's go with the 2 again. This one will go 1 because of 2. Then make it 19. It will go 9 because of 18. Make it this one 12, 6. Divide by 2, it will go 9 because of 18. Make it this one 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. Divide by 2 again. This one will go 4 because of 8. Make this one 18. 18 divided by 2, 9. The smallest number that can divide 49 is 7 because of 49. You get 7. 7 divided by 7, you get 1. Second procedure or second step, make pairs. Let's make pairs together. 2 times 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 7 times 7. Those are the identicals. Take one factor. Now let's pair them. 2, 2, 2, 2, and this one. There are 2 factors in that bracket. Pick one factor from each pair. From this bracket or this pair, pick 2. Here, pick 2. Here, pick 2. Here, pick 2. Here, pick 7. Multiply these factors. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. Then times 7. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 7. 16 times 7. The answer that you get will be 6 times 7. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry 4. 7 times 1, you get 7 plus 4, you get 11. So the square root of 12,544 is 112. Next number, let's find the square root of 144. Square root of 144 by use of prime factorization method. 144 divided by 2, you get 7 because of 14. 2 divided by 2, you get 3 because of 6. Remainder 1, make it 12. This one is 6. Divided by 2, you get 18. Divided by 2, you get 9. Divided by 3, you get 3. Divided by 3, you get 1. Secondly, so these are the prime factors of 144. Secondly, make pairs of the identical factors. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Pair them. 2 up we have 2 factors. Then pick one factor from each bracket. 2 times 3. 2 times 2 ni 4 times 3. 4 times 3, the answer is 12. So the square root of 144 is 12. Let's find the square root of 729 by use of prime factorization method. 729 by use of prime factorization method. 729, the smallest number is 3. Here you will get 2 because of 6, remainder 1. Make this one 12, it will go 4 because of 12, then this one will go 3. Then the smallest number again is 3 because of 8, 1. Divided by 3 again, it will go twice because of 6, remainder 2, make it 21, 7. Divided by 3, 9. Divided by 3, 3. Divided by 3, 1. Second procedure, make pairs of identical numbers or identical factors. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So now after getting the pairs of the identical factors, let's pick one factor from each pair. Here we are going to take 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 3, 9, times 3, 27. The square root of 729 is 27. Alright, here is your homework. Test your understanding by just using this one number. By use of prime factorization method, find the square root of 81. I know many will get 9, but 9 is not the answer. Let me help you. Let me find out the answer so that you can see whether you have gotten it right or wrong. Let's underline the key word in the question. By use of prime factorization method, find the square root of this one and the square root. So first, you'll come 81 divided by 3, you'll get 2 because of 6, 21, 7. Divided by 3 again, you'll get 9. Divided by 3, you'll get 3. Divided by 3, you'll get 1. So pair them. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Pair them. Pick one factor from each bracket. 3 times 3. The answer is 9. But now this one is not the answer. Come back again by use of prime factorization method. Find the square root of this one. Find the square root of 9. Square root of 9. This is now the answer that you are finding. So you'll come back again. 9 divided by 3, you'll get 3. Divided by 3, you'll get 1. 3 times 3. Pick one factor. 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 9 is 3, or the square root of 81 is 9, and the square root of 9 is 3.